This is the third video and final one in the infographic practical videos. So where we left off in video 2, we were just looking at the conservation section here and including infographics. So I just want to finish off this part here about conflict with farmers. Over lambs. However, there's little evidence. And game birds. Now I'm just going to unbold that. And the next one I want to put in is, the number of deaths. So I'm just going to insert another text box. So approximately 30,000 are killed each year. Are killed annually, and that's basically they're hunted. So I just need a graphic, an icon for that. Now if I go into here into our icons and I want to get a hunter to show that, I type in hunter. It didn't match. Hunt doesn't give me anything. Guns doesn't give me anything. So the other option you have then is actually to go onto the internet and look for it. So if I type in icon, hunter, and click on images, I'll get a lot of images here. So you can use any of these. So there's one I like. So I'll right click and copy that. Go back to my PowerPoint. And Control V to paste it in. Now you can see what's come in here. A whole box with a border around it. So I need to edit this to make it fit. So again, if I click on the icon, go to Format Picture, I can go over again here and remove the background. You can see all the area is going to be removed has changed color. Because it's black, it might be difficult for you to see that the head has actually been selected for removal as well. So I'll go back up here to mark an area to keep. And when I bring my cursor down, it's like a little pen. I tip on the head, it's gone black. I'm happy with that. So keep the changes and we've got our icon. So I can bring it down, make it nice and small. I'm not going to shoot the farmer. Move it in here. And I'll increase this to 20. And I'll make the 30,000 bold. Okay. And finally, actually, I'm just going to move this up a bit. I can increase this one, drag it out. Make it a bit bigger. Maybe 22. Or 24. That looks a bit better. And finally, we can say that the number of foxes in urban areas is actually on the increase. So I'll just copy that, Control C and Control V, drag it down and just change it to urban foxes are increasing. And then I just need an icon to go in there. And for that, I'm just going to select some buildings. Double click. And it pops in. So again, what I'm going to do now, that all these are separate elements, click outside it, hold down the mouse. I missed one of the elements there, so I'm going to do it again. Hold down the mouse. All of them are selected. Format the shape, group them, and group them. We actually have two groupings there. Okay, so that's it. What I'm going to do here is make this heading wider. Now, if you wanted to, you could add a photograph in here on the side of yourself if you wanted to. You could put an LIT logo in it. So we could maybe go and find an LIT logo on the internet and just pop it in there if you wanted. So that's it. That's how you do it. It's got a good, we've now got an infographic. You don't have to maintain the borders around these, as I was saying earlier to you. In these areas. But what you might want to do is change the color of the background. You can leave it white like that. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you wanted to change the colors, one of the best ways to change the colors is use colors that match the fox, that somehow match up with the fox. I'm just going to move them in here a bit. And maybe we could make it a bit bigger. The only issue here is this fox is close to these foxes. Maybe we could copy him, paste him. Maybe we could move him up here somewhere. It might look better. And you could put more information down here if you wanted to. It's up to you. And maybe put an LIT logo there. So to change the background, if you want to insert the color on it, just click on it, right click and go to Format Background. You can go for a solid fill, or you can go for a gradient fill. Let's go with a solid fill for the moment. And I would go for the eyedropper and then increase the size so you can see it a bit better. And as you move the eyedropper over the fox, you'll see the little box that's over the eyedropper. That'll show you the color that's been selected. So something here would be very light. So I would use a dark part, maybe something like that. And now you can see all of it is selected. But it's a bit dull maybe. One of the things you can do is you can change your font to white to see how that looks. Does it stand out a bit better? Maybe it does. You might like to do that. Also, what you can do is in each of these boxes here, you can click on those. You can either use the drop down, or you can go to solid fill here, click on it, go to the eyedropper, and again pick a lighter color that's on the fox. Maybe something like that. We'll go back up and see what's happened. So we've got a lighter color there. We'll just move it in here. Move the fox over. So you can change the colors like that. You can select the colors you want, and you can edit it any way you want. You could take out this large picture here of the fox and put in more information if you wanted. The more information You can make the icons bigger if you wanted to. So there's a lot you can do with it. So all you've got to do is produce an infographic on a species that you like and upload it to the link on Moodle. And at some stage, if we need to, so upload it to the link on Moodle. So that's the end of 3 videos on infographic practicals. So good luck with all those.